rishis. They go through scriptures, they do all those rituals, penance, those kind of practice. Through those practices, they try to realize God, have the anubhavam of God. They are rishis. But few devotees are there, chosen by Lord. Without their effort, they experienced the anubhavam of Paramatma. They are Alvars. So there are 12 Alvars. Among them, this Alvar's name is Periya, big Alvar. Big in what? Size, height, age? No. Love. Vishnu Chitta, they lived in Srivilliputturu, beautiful city called Srivilliputturu. Puduvai, Villi Puttur, Puduvai Pattan, Srivilliputturu, Bhattanatha. That Periyalvar, without learning anything from Guru, because of unconditional love of Lord, he got that anubhavam of Paramatma. And he used to serve Lord of that village called Vatapatrashai, Vada Perum Koil Udayan. He used to maintain the garden, pluck the flowers, make beautiful garlands, and offer to Perumal every day. Brahmachari. Always he used to receive great all the atithis in a great way. As we worship Lord, they used to receive devotees, offer them atithyam. Even it's midnight, they used to offer with love and care. Great King Sri Krishna Devaraya, he wrote beautiful history of Goda Devi named Amukta Malyada. It's the greatest kavyam of Telugu. In that kavyam, Sri Krishna Devaraya described about the glory of Sri Vishnu Chitta, his day-to-day activities, how he received devotees. When you like Lord, you not only worship the deity form of Lord. When you know about God, who is all-pervasive, you like the world as the vibhuti of Paramatma. You like everyone. You treat everyone with respect. Because Paramatma is there in all. Paramatma is there as indweller. Antah pravishta shasta janana gum sarva atma. Paramatma is being inside of us, supporting us always to survive. So when you know that Paramatma is there in you, Paramatma is there in the people, in the creatures around you, you treat them as the mobile gods, mobile temples of God. Vishnu Chitta is having that state of mind. He used to take care of everyone. He used to receive them very well. And what chutneys he made, how he received, everything detailedly described in Amukta Malyada. That great Vishnu Chitta, he got a dream. In the dream, Paramatma insisted Vishnu Chitta to go to Vallabhadevaraya's palace, where big gathering of scholars is happening. Vallabhadevaraya, he invited all the scholars and arranged a conference to do the Pratishthapanam, establishing the Paratattva Nirnayam. So scholars, they come, they talk about, they show their scriptures as evidence and try to prove which is the universal soul, which is the root cause of this whole universe. So Vishnu Chitta, without knowing having any knowledge through Guru, only the grace of Lord allowed him to understand the reality. And Vishnu Chitta, he went to Vallabhadevaraya's palace upon the, as Paramatma insisted. There, India Shanga Veduttuda, Pandian Kondada, Pattarviran Vandan Endru, Pandya Raja was praising the glory of Vishnu Chitta, and everybody received him very well. And while trumpets, all the music, those instruments there playing, receiving Vishnu Chitta very well. Vishnu Chitta, in front of all, he described about the Paratattva, Paramatma, is Sriman Narayana, and he showed examples. He proven with all those scriptures, and everybody appreciated it. And Vidya Shulka Pamuta, or like some dhanam they hang like that, and whoever say true, that will fall down. It's fallen. Vendiya Vedangalodi, he described about the Paratattva. He showed all the examples in the scriptures. Viraind, Kiriya Ruttan, that Vidya Shulka, the Shulkam fallen on the ground. And he like that means he got victory. He established Paratattvam, Sriman Narayana is the Paratattvam. Everybody felt so happy. King wanted to honor him. He made Vishnu Chitta to sit on elephant, and they are going as Atra, king walking in front of Vishnu Chitta, in front of the elephant. Many scholars chanting Veda mantras, Prabandhagana. So everyone is following Vishnu Chitta. And when a function is happening at school, parents, they attend to see that, right? Out of joy. So Lord Mahavishnu, along with mom Lakshmi Devi, wanted to attend to that function. He came on Garuda. He was on the sky and looking at Vishnu Chitta's that honoring. And Vishnu Chitta saw, oh, Paramatma came. Usually what we feel, we say yes to my functions. Directly Paramatma himself came. That is my greatness. That much relation I have with Paramatma. This is the way we feel. We feel proud. But Vishnu Chitta, he likes Paramatma very much. And he said, come on, go away. Because people may see you. When they see the beautiful thing, they appreciate, same time I may fall. So I don't want to give any chance to them to give any harm. So come on, go away. But in that crowd, Paramatma is not listening, and he is looking at Vishnu Chitta, and immediately Vishnu Chitta wanted to give some protection. He started singing Pallandu Pallandu. Pallandu Pallandu, Pallayirattand, Palagodi Nurayiram, Mallanda Tindod Manivanna, Hey, Indranila Mani Sadrusha Varna, Sri Krishna, Pallandu, long life. Pal means many. And years, many years, means as long as this time. Ayiram, thousand. Palagodi, crores of years. Nuru, hundreds of years. That means infinity time. Ayiram, Mallanda Tindod Manivarna. Hey Manivarna, who defeated Chanura Mushtika, Mallas. Your Shevadi, beautiful, attractive like lotus, which is in red color. She Adi, to that feet. Shevi Tirukkapu, protection to that, Mangalam to that. Your lotus, beautiful, adorable, beautiful, smooth, Saugandhya, Saukumarya. That kind of feet, Mangalam to that feet. Adiyo modum nindodum pirivindriyayiram pallandu. Long life, that our bondage between you and me, the relation should be forever. Varivayin valamarvil varigindra mangayim pallandu. Mangai Mahalakshmi, who is dwelling at your heart, the compassionate one, Mangalam to her. Vadivarshodi Valaturayam Shodar Ariyam Palland, Mangalam to that chakra which is dwelling in your right hand, Sudarshana chakra. Padai Por Pukum Rangum Panjanium Palande, Mangalam to that Shankha which is at your left hand, who enter into the battle, the sound entering into the battlefield, Padai Por Puku Murangum, which the whose thunderous sound creates fear in the enemies, in the asuras, which sends away all the asura bhavas. That Jnana Swarupa Conch, Mangalam to that, Appanjanyam Pallande. So he is not asking anything from Lord. He is wishing just Paramatma, you have to be happy. You have to be always great. Your glory should be forever. So this is the love, kind state of mind of a devotee who is having pure heart. Usually we go near God, give me this, give me that, I am in the pain, you know, you are capable to remove that pain, come on, give me this, give me that, remove this, give me Pahimam, Rakshamam. This kind of people are there who ask something, who pray Perumal and takes his help. But here Vishnu Chitta is not asking anything, he is just saying Mangalam, you have to be happy, you have to be happy. This is the state of mom, mind. Always mom thinks about the welfare of the kid. Mom won't expect anything out of her service. So, pure heart, you can see. So, Vishnu Chitta, that Periyalvar who found Goda Devi, the Tulsi garden, who brought up her, who taught her nice Kalyana Gunas of Paramatma, and so that Vishnu Chitta, he chanted Tirupalland and Periyalvar Tirumoli, 372 pashrams, Tirupalland 12 pashrams. So all those pashrams we are going to sing in the evening from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Facebook live is there, you all can enjoy. Whether you understand or not, chanting those hymns which came from a great devotee's heart. It really gives all auspicious. Let us try to listen to those and celebrate that great Alvar Sthir Nakshatram today.